along Mud Valley. We are deploying.
Roger that, Command. Proceed with caution.
This area here is completely flooded. We'll use the Tracked ATV and the Swamp Buggy to bypass it. The rest of the convoy follows the bulldozer once the path is clear.
He's free! We did it! Yeah, all right!
We could try the bulldozer blade right there. I don't know, it looks too soft. It'll just sink in.
We have to try something. We can't stay here.
The amphibious carrier should lead the way.
Agreed, it has the clearance.
But look how deep the mud is near the center.
Look! The convoy is here! Hooray! They made it! Here is some clean water for you.
Thank you so much. We are so grateful.
Look, they brought food too.